Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nandini Sharma, and in this session we talk about the syllabus of the EKT syllabus of the CSIT students. So let's get starting. So first subject of the EKT for CSIT is engineering mathematics, and this subject is common for all branches. Okay, now important topics of engineering mathematics is the matrix algebra, eigenvalue, eigenvector, theorem of integral calculus, partial derivatives, maxima and minima, multiple integrals, Stokes, Gaussian and Green's theorem, first order differential equation like linear and nonlinear both, Cauchy and Euler's equation, complex variable, Taylor's and Laurent series, sampling theorems, mean, median and mode, standard deviation, random variable, discrete and continuous distribution, Fourier transformation and Laplace transformation, and last is your Z transformation. So this is the whole syllabus of the engineering mathematics. Now come to the next subject, that is your engineering physics. So here in the engineering physics, total important points are unit of measurements, description of motion in 1, 2 and 3 dimension, law of motion, work, energy and power, rotational motion, gravitational, heat and thermodynamic, electrostatic, electric current, magnetic effect of the currents, magnetism, electromagnetic induction and alternate currents and electromagnetic wave, ray optics and optical instruments. Now these are the main topic of the engineering physics, and it is also common for all the branches. Okay, now come to the next subject, that is your engineering drawing, and it is also common for the all branch of the engineering. Okay, now here important topics are projection of straight line, plane, solids, intersection of surface, isometric projection, section view of the solid, full section, introduction of computer and drafting, specialization, basic branch topics. Okay, now come to the next subject is analog and digital electronics, and the important topics are characteristics of diode, BIT, that is bipolar transformer, and FET, JFET and MOSFET, amplifier, biasing, equivalent circuit and frequency response, oscillators and feedback amplifier, operational amplifier, characteristics of application, simple active filters, VCOs and timers, combination and sequential logic circuit, multiplexer, Smith trigger, multi-vibrator, sample and hold circuit, ND and DAI converter, 8-bit microprocessor basics, architecture, programming and interfacing. So these are the important topics of the analog and digital electronics. Now come to the next subject, that is your electronic devices. So electronic devices covers the important topics like your energy band in silicon, intrinsic and extrinsic silicon, carrier transport in silicon, diffusion current, drift current, mobility and resistivity, generation, recombination of carriers, PN junction, diode, Zener diode, tunnel diode, BIT, JFET, most capacitor, MOSFET, LED, pin and avalanche photodiode and basic of ALAS. Now come to the next topic, and subject of the CSIT is computer network, and this is most important subject. Mostly important topics are ISO and OSI stack, which is converted, and now it is converted into the internet stack protocol. Okay, next is your LAN technologies like your internet and token ring flow and error control techniques, congestion control, TCP and UDP, and sockets, IPv4, application layer protocol like ICMP, DNS, SMTP, POP, FTP, HTTP, basic concepts of hub, switch, gateway and router networking security like basic concepts of the public key, private key, cryptography, digital signature, firewalls and basic concepts of client server computing. Now these are the important topics of the computer network. Now next topic is, and next subject of the EKT is network theory design, and important topics are Thevenin's, Norton's, reciprocity, superposition, compensation, Miller's, tangents and maximum power transfer theorem, impulse, step, ramp and sinusoidal responsible analysis of first order and second order circuit, two-part parameter, their interrelation, application of Laplace transform, Fourier series in the context of network analysis and network synthesis. These are the important topics of the network theory design. Now come to the next subject is your switching theory. So in this switching theory, important topics are traffic definition, introduction of the switching network, classification of switching systems, grade of services and blocking probability, basic of circuit switching, packet switching, network traffic load and parameters, modeling of the switching system, incoming traffic and service time characterization, blocking model and loss estimate, delay system, Markovian equiving model, MIM one model, limited queuing capacity, multiple server, finite sources, queuing disciplines, and these are the important topics. Now next topics, an important subject is your information technology. Here important topics are your operating system, and it contains multiple parts like your processes, thread, inter-process communication, concurrency, synchronization, deadlock, CPU scheduling, memory management and virtual memory, file memory system like your input-output system, protection and security. And here RDBMS, which is called as Relational Database Management System. It contains ER model, relational model like your relational algebra, tuple calculus, database design like integrity constraints, normal forms, query language like your SQL, file structure like your sequential file indexing B and B plus tree, transaction and concurrency. Con software engineering, it includes information gathering, requirement and feasible analysis, data flow diagram, process specification, input output design, process life cycle planning and management, process life cycle planning and managing the project's design, coding, testing, implementation and managing the and maintenance, and also include the basics of the computer programming language like C, object oriented programming language like Java, basics of the computer graphics. Now come to the next subject, that is your electrical engineering, and it includes various topics like single phase transformer, equivalent circuit, phasor diagram, testers, regulation and efficiency, auto transformer, energy conversion principle, DC machines type binding, generator characteristics, armature reaction, communication, servo and stamped motors, synchronous machine, generator like your regulation and parallel operations. These are the important topics of the electrical engineering. Now come to the next topic, and next subject is your control engine. So control engine contains important topics like your application of open loop and closed loop system, principle of feedback, determination of transfer function or by block diagram, reduction method, time domain analysis of first and second order system, transient and steady state error, and damping and oscillations. Now come to the next subject, that is your telecommunication system. So here in the telecommunication system, the important topics are analog communication, amplitude and angle modulation, demodulation system, super heterodynamic reverser, signal to noise relation, that is your SNR, fundamental of information theory, channel capacity theorem, digital communication system like your pulse code modulation PCM, differential pulse code modulation like DPCM, digital modulation schemes like amplitude, phase, frequency shift, keying scheme like your ASK, PSK, FSK, and basics of TDMA, FDMA and CDMA, fundamental of the mobile communications and a fundamental of the optical fiber communication. Now next subject is microwave engineering, and important topics are waveguide, crystons, traveling wave tube, magnetron, introduction of microstrip line, microwave semiconductor device, monolithic microwave integrated circuit. Now come to the next subject is your antenna and wave propagation. So here important topics are antenna parameters, effective length and aperture, gain, beamwidth, directives, radiation resistance, effective polarization, impedance, and directional characteristics of antenna, reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction of radius wave, fundamental ground wave, space wave, sky wave, and troposcatter propagation. Now these are the important points of the antenna and wave propagation subject. Now come to the last subject of the EKT, that is radar theory, and important topics are radar theory is radar range equation, frequency of operation, fundamental of moving target indicator like MTI, pulse dropper radar, tracking radar accuracy, precision and repeatability, electronic instruments for measuring basic parameter, theory of oscilloscope, single generator, signal analyzer, characteristics and constraints of transducers. Now this session is end here. I hope you understand all the points and subjects, important topics. If you have any queries, so please comment me. Thank you for watching. जय हिंद, जय भारत.